Ka Sorkar Jala lembat ki Nongkitkam Shnong bat ki Nong yalam niam Iasoi daka community accord bapin ku bor bani yang terli ka wei ha ka banyakun persya ya droks apo ka drug rehabilitation elimination and action mission ni ka DREAM mission hajala Meghalaya ya ka ni ka accord Iasoi ha ka program jang katanat social welfare kumshubinta jang ka program badang supalachen ka drug rehabilitation elimination and action mission ni DREAM but ka bringing unity in local against drugs ni BUILD Manwanra ya kajing yatali kawai hapadeng ki Nongkitkam Shnong but nong yalam niam lembat ka Sorkar ha kajing yakun persya ya drugs kabalong negas ni baar hau susutham auditorium hagani ka program ka Sorkar kala ajing yarap song pisaru syaka maulai dorbar bahnreu lak tingka menpinya ya ki rehabilitation camp balabut ka dorbar ka penchlu re ki wei ki dorbar Shnong bikin shimlang ya ka juk ka sinjam hakaleng ki jaga ka jela Umentri rang ba kejala konrad ke sangma ula penchongkun ya kini ke program kum ukong san ha kejing don lang umentri katanat social welfare ba polling do kementri ka kot kakhia kong amperin ling do u director general of police Dr. LR Bishnoi bat kiwe habakran ha kejing lang umentri rang ba ulo ong baki samla ki de kaspa ba ya kejala bat kari ben kintiu ya kayok kakot ula keren ru halor ki program ki policy ki ba ka Sorkar kelawan ra na ka benda ki samla la ha ka kam ni lekai ka put katem ka sengkam sengjam bat kiwe Kibala banyarap iki samla bikin light na kajing lin kibasniu.
Meghalaya is a very strong community-based system. Our community leaders play a crucial role in all different social aspects of our lives. I remember those difficult times during COVID when we had huge challenges. And I want to share and tell you that if it was not for our community leaders and their support at the grassroots level, the challenges would have been much more difficult. We would not have been able to do the kind of things we were able to at least do to some extent. I'm not saying everything went perfect because it was a huge challenge. But if it was not for the community leaders, I'll tell you today, and I said it before also, it would have been very difficult. Let's be flexible in one way or the other to accommodate the different kind of inputs that we get, learn from those inputs, adapt to it, and accordingly change our strategy if required. I think it's so important because we're dealing with human beings out here and we're dealing with sensitive situations. We're dealing with people who have been through a lot of emotional stress and physical stress and psychological stress. So how do we make sure that we're able to come out of this? It may take time, but with the right mind, with the right approach, with good teamwork, we will be able to reach our dream of having a drug-free Meghalaya, and we hope that we'll be able to achieve these goals. So let the sports persons talk about drugs and how we should stay away from it, but at the same time how we should be, sympathetic and empathetic towards individuals who are going through these difficulties. I would want Meghalaya Games to be also part, or Dream Project to be part of the Meghalaya Games, where it will be great and it will be something that should continue, because as you know, Meghalaya Games will happen every year. So this time it's happening, and you'll be surprised that in the last 17 years it's happened only 3 times, twice in the last 5 years and once 17 years back. And so now this is the 3rd time, but now from now on we're going to have it every year.